What a long week. Apparently we got 10 more cars that we just put on the website. They're all out here. There's some in the back, some in the showroom. I'm gonna go ahead and show you all of them. Be telling you the price, the year, the model. Just stick around. Here comes another lot walk. If you've never seen us before, this is Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. My name is Nick. I've been doing this for, I don't know, 6 or 7 years. We've been here on the lot for over 40. It's a family business, and we sell classic American muscle cars. We have financing, shipping, detailed photos of all of our cars, and description test drive videos going over the flaws. We look for the flaws because you can see the good. So let's go ahead and get started here. And like I said, I'm going to be showing you the price, the model, and of course, the year. And if you want further information, watch those test drive videos or check out maplemotors.com, which includes, a full description of each car. We try to give you all the information you need before you get here. Let's get started up front. So I can already see a few. I haven't test drove anything this week because I've been in Florida. Right here in the front, 1971 Chevrolet Chevelle. This has got the LS motor. This video is done, and you can look below in the playlist. Cars currently available to see the test drive video. $35,900 is the price. Cowl hood, aftermarket wheels. Again, LS motor. Disc brakes. It's got a lot going on. Next to that, a 1971 Chevy Chevelle. This one's $31,900. It's also got the cowl hood, aftermarket wheels. This one here, a little bit more of a mild build. 1970 Chevy Chevelle. It's got the vinyl top. It's priced $29,900. Oh, on this one, because I get so many comments, it is a 71. It's got a 70 front end. It's also got a 70 rear end. Somebody changed all that out. I've seen that many, many times. Next to that, a 1968 Dodge Coronet. 318 car, not a Super B. 4-speed, $30,900. $1964 Chevy Impala. This has got the big block. Priced at $30,900. Another 64 Impala. This one's black on black. This one's a real SS, 4-speed car. Priced at $36,900. Guys, every single week on Mondays, we try to put out a full lot walk going over all the new inventory. We get about 15 cars a week. The problem is we sell about 5 of them before we can list them. We end up just about 10 on average are posted every single Monday. We do have merchandise as well. You can check the links below. It should be one of the first links. Along with our website, it has merchandise on there as well. Okay, so this is something new. It just came in. It's like an old Ford truck. It's a 1956 model. This one's priced at $30,900. She seems pretty custom. Some bed. It's got a button door. That's kind of cool. Aftermarket set of wheels, say Ford in the middle. Not too bad. $30,900. Next to that, 1956 210. This one here's a 5-speed Chevrolet, priced at $31,900. Right here, 1956 Pontiac Chieftain. This one's $21,900. Hopefully we'll have a test drive video done and out this week. Been a lot of people asking for that. This one here, 1965 Plymouth Fury. This one's priced at $17,900. What about the 1968 Plymouth Fury sitting here? This one's only $12,900. We got two of them next to each other. I can't remember the last time we had two of these models. '67 Chrysler Newport. This one's only $12,900. And you know we still got the Hemi Dodge. This one's a 67 model, D100. She's set up like a gasser, priced at $22,900. Over here, 1966 Ford T-Bird. This one's $14,900. Got the old Impala SS sitting here. This is a 1995 model. It's priced at $15,900. All right. Let's go on over in the showroom, check out some Hot Wheels, and come back out to the lot. Check it out. Hot Wheels room here at Maple Motors. You can come check it out. It's always updated every single weekend. This is Pops' doings, and I used to help him. He was always going to the flea markets. Now I've got my sister involved, and she's making extra videos. Along with Maple Motors, you can also type in Jim Fights Hot Wheels on any platform, and it should pull up a video. I'm talking TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and here on YouTube, there's also more videos of this room. We'll go ahead and zoom in on one. Check it out. All right, guys, let's get back out there on the lot. Again, here's some of the shirts. I just got a new design that's getting ready to come out. This is fairly new. This design is only about 2 months old, but I already made another one, so we'll have more shirts available for you to purchase. Okay, we're going to step off in the showroom here. Man, I only got like 2 things available in here at the moment. This one's brand new. It's a 1986 Chevy 1500, I believe. And this one's $20,900. It's got the cow hood, American racing wheels, the disc brakes, custom interior, sound system. It's like some nice gauges. This is going to be a nice truck, and I'm going to have to take it for a test drive today. I've already sold the Camaro over here. And of course the Impala sitting here is available. This one's got a set of 4Giottos and a 4Giotto steering wheel to match. If you don't like the wheels, the price comes down and we can put different wheels on it. That being said, just call and talk to us about it if you're interested. This one's $22,900. It's a 1975 Chevy Impala. Right out of the showroom, and we'll head to the back. Starting in the back here, 1982 Chevy Camaro with the T-tops. This is a 7950 piece, runs and drives, and it does have a test drive video going over the flaws. Got the old Volkswagen sitting here. This one's from 1967. It's priced $99.50. Got the old Mustang convertible sitting back here. This one's from 1993. It is a LX convertible, and it's only $79.50. Something new to the website here. It's a 5-speed 5.0 Mustang, and this one's only $12,900. I've got some more to show you here along the line. This is a 1992 Chevrolet Camaro. This is an RS car, T-tops, priced at $14,900. It's got a built motor in it. I believe it was aluminum headed, and it's pretty quick. Test drive video turned out well. Next to that, a 1972 Dodge Challenger. This one here is only $29,900. Black on black. And then you've got a 1968 Pontiac Firebird right beside it. It's only priced $27,900. Okay, right here, 1967 Pontiac Firebird convertible. This one's orange with the black interior. It's new to the website. It's $32,900. That's a nice looking paint job. Something else that's new. What is this? A 68 Camaro. I like the stripes coming down the side. It's in a gray color. It's priced $37,900 with a vinyl tie. And guys, all these test drives will be coming out here soon. I'm probably going to knock out about 3 a day. Since I was out of town, I haven't got anything done, and I'm sorry for that. Next to that is a 1972 Chevy Nova. This is a true SS 4-speed car, priced at $37,900. What about the 1969 AMC AMX? You've seen it before. It's red, white, and blue themed with a custom interior. It's priced at $29,900. I got some more cars to show you. Looks like you're out in the middle there. And nobody really drove anything. Dad's got a Mustang over there. I'm making a video on this car. I just put out a comparison video of a couple Camaros that I have at the house, so you can check it out if you wanted to. I did it for fun when I got back from Florida. But I am going to be doing a mod video on some of the stuff that I've done to that car. It's different. I'm going to start doing that with all the cars that I get personally as well. This here is a 1965 GMC C10 pickup truck. It's blue and white. It's $29,900. And again, this will be on the top of my list for a test drive video this week. What we got? A Mustang, a Mustang, a Mustang, a Mustang. Got old Trans Am over here. We'll start with it. Jason is one of my uncles. He does a lot of work around here, decoding the cars, getting information, and buying. This one here, 1985 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am. This one has the T-tops. It's $12,900. It's got a whole kit in the trunk to redo all of the stickers and stripes and graphics. You can see it laid up in the back. Oh, Trans Am. I like the wheels on it. Pretty cool. Next to that, 1965 Ford Mustang convertible. This one's blue with the black, blue with blue interior. It's matching interior. Cool. Test drive video's out. It's $29,900. Got a couple fastbacks coming up next. 1970 Ford Mustang fastback. Fuel injection 5.0 5-speed car, priced at $42,900. Aftermarket set of US mag wheels, disc brakes. Next hit, another fastback. This one's from 1970. It's also got aftermarket wheels, two-tone paint job, priced at $37,900. And of course, we got a 1966 Mustang convertible sitting here. This one's new to the website, in orange with black interior. It's priced at $32,900. We're going to walk the lot one more time. I want to make sure I didn't miss any cars here. Before we do that, we'll go to the sold bay and see what might have ran through and slipped through the cracks before the update. Okay, so if you look back here, there's a sold bay. A lot of stuff that come through, may have sold, you may have not ever seen before. But yeah, this is the sold bay. So everything in here is not available. Just going to glance through, show what's going on, show what has come through. Because believe it or not, we get ready about 15 cars a week. We may not post 15 cars a week because they sell. Typically it's about 10, and every once in a while we'll get 12. It's been a while since we've had a full post and not sold anything prior, which is fine. It's just people walking in from all over the country. There's some new cars rolling in behind me. I can't show you, but you heard it. Kind of glance around here. Y'all probably haven't even seen that one. It may be sold already though. That was going to be for next week's update. This thing's cool. Get a little bit more of a detailed look at it. I wonder if it's unlocked. Nope. I gotta test drive it today anyways. Be looking for this video if you want to see more of this truck. Set of revs, disc brakes, two-tone paint. I like the scheme. It's cool. Guys, we have a bio on our website telling you about this company. We're all family. We only hire family. People ask all the time if we're hiring. We do not hire anybody but family. And be careful, because I've seen some scam accounts popping up. If we don't have hundreds of thousands of followers, that's not us. Don't trust anybody with 10 followers, I can tell you that. Especially when it says Maple Motors on it and it's not us. I try to report those accounts, and with your help, if you report those accounts, they should vanish. We've got a few taken down through the years. If you need financing or shipping, it is available on maplemotors.com. You can get pre-approved for like 30 days. You see something that comes in, you can go ahead and purchase it and be right there on top of the list. We do holds, but it's like a week for $1,000 down. It's non-refundable. Be sure not to pay the $1,000 if you're not 100% sure you want the car. We'll go over all that on the phone with you. It's just a strict policy because we would update like this on Mondays and all the cars would go on hold, and then like 2 would sell, and then it'd be pinned up for a week. So we're not doing that. Have to put $1,000 down to hold it. It goes towards the car. And if you do back out, it goes towards a future purchase. You have a credit here at Maple Motors. It's been working pretty well. Typically, we go through about 60 cars a month. You're always going to see something new. Be sure to hit subscribe, share this video. Be looking for other interesting videos that pop up here on the channel. Whenever I get done with this car, I'm waiting on some custom emblems. This is the one that I'm making a cosmetic mod video to. I haven't really done anything engine wise. I'm just going to leave it alone, but I have done a lot of different stuff cosmetically. Here's an SS car. It's been fun. I've never owned one of these personally in my collection. I got it now. Okay, well, I'll be posting to TikTok, Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and old Twitter. I just started. I don't have a following on there yet though. I've only got like 10 followers. So if you want to go there and follow us, do so. I'll have videos coming out pretty much every day. Thanks guys. I'll see you in the next one.